Hello everyone, I've had a customer in the shop today with a Samsung Galaxy A21S Android smartphone. They've brought it in for an LCD replacement. I'm going to show you the steps from start to finish. If you've got any devices at home that you might need fixing, my email's allsorts815@gmail.com. You can get us on WhatsApp 07394 807 546. You can get us on Facebook, Bargain Buster North East. Get us on Instagram, Bargain Buster North East, and TikTok, Bargain Buster North East. Thank you very much. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Josh Mr. Smartphone. So yeah, we'll crack on with the repair. Just a little bit of heating on the hot plate. Now we'll remove the screen and get it ready to install the new one.